I'm now in my sample website, that junkyard, and I'm just going to show you how to create a stylish list. So this is a basic page, a sample page. If you click on these little pluses, they will give you options to add widgets. So this comes up when you press that. Okay, so we're going to look at stylish list, which is here. And so from this stylish list, we can then create listed items, a bit like bullet points. So to edit this, we click on the triangle, which expands. We're going to call this item 1. Okay, you can give it a subtitle if you want to, you don't have to. You can then choose an icon, so any icon in here. It's quite good. You can put in a few search items and it will come up with things that are closely related. So there we go, key. Let's use a key. You can change the icon colour if you want to. We're going to make this red. And we're going to select a URL for them to go to. So I'm just going to pop in there my own website and design website. Okay, Xtra.com. I want it to link out to another tab, so I don't want it to close the tab it's currently in when you click on the link. And I'm going to set that as a link. Okay. Save changes, and now you've got one on there. So if we go and have a look at that page, open link. Hold on a second, just need to refresh that. One thing I missed, always click update page. See, even I make mistakes. Refresh that again. So now we have one item just here. And if I click on it, it takes me out to Xtra.com. Okay. So, I'll close that, go back. So if you want to add another item, you can go to this one. So if we change that, I'm going to change that to say Sawbrook website. Okay. I'm also going to change this. I don't want an icon, I want a specific image. I've got some nice images, so I want to use those. So you can change that to an image. Then click on the plus. You can then select a file to upload, or you can go to your media library and have a look. So let's use something crazy, I don't know. Let's use this guy. Set image. So now that's the image that's going to appear next to my link. Save. Remember this time to save and update. Update the whole page. So now when we go to our sample page, after this is finished going round and round and round, you'll see there's a picture there. So you can scale these pictures a little bit better, and if you click on that picture, it takes you to the website. Perfect. Also, if you click on the text, what I'd do is, if you are going to use an image, just make sure the image is a decent size to go along with the text that you've got. So we'll go back to edit the page, and say you want to add something else. I'm just going to change this back. Oh no, I'm just going to change this back to an icon so it doesn't jump around too much with these big images. Icon, and it keeps the key. Okay, right, so we're going to save that. I'm going to go back to this list again, and I'm going to add another one. So to add one, let's click in here. So in here we're going to say, right, Facebook. And we're going to click on an icon. Let's see if we can find a Facebook icon. I'm sure we can. There we go. Facebook icon. I'm going to make it the Facebook color, which is something like that. And I'm going to select the URL, which will be https facebook.com, I'm sure. So there we go. Then we can click Save Changes, Update. Still updating, as you can see by the little circle. And then refresh. And you'll see now we've got two. This works really well when you're making lists of links and things like that. So now when you click on the Facebook, you'll notice it goes directly to Facebook. The only problem being is that when you do that, is that I haven't made it go to a separate tab, so it's actually opening up in the same tab as you've done it. If you click on this one, it goes to a different tab. So to change that, you just go back into the stylish list. You've now got Facebook, so let's click that one on there. Go to URL, select URL, and just click this little fella just here. Set link, save changes, update. Good stuff. Right, that's updated now. So when you refresh that again, if you click on Facebook, it will link off into a new tab. So let's say if we want some more list items in there. Now the other buttons we've got here are duplicate or clone, and also delete. As you hover over them, it will tell you exactly what they do. So let's say we want to clone that, it just clones it directly below. Clone it again, yep, no problem. So we've cloned them, we don't really need them anymore, just click on the X and it deletes them. It will check before you delete them. Okay, you do have lots of different things down here which you can use for styling. These are quite simple. So container is the area within the lists are actually in. So I could actually add a color, say let's do that white, or no, let's do it grey, so we don't have to play around too much around the coloration. We're saying transparent. I'm going to clear that. I'm going to say grey. Oh, okay. Let's go green then. Okay, green, and then I'll close that and save changes. Update. Let's see what that does. So yeah, so now your area has got a green background. Very simple, very intuitive. Let's click on that again, and you can also do things like, once you've done the, you'll see by the yellow dot above that something's been done to that container setting. You can also do things like, you can add a radius. So let's give it a 5 pixel radius. Click out, save changes, update, and you'll see now the green border, the green background has quite tasteful rounded edge. There we go. So you've got a 5 pixel rounded edge on that section now. Other things you can do are edit, click on the pencil. You can also change the list item. So the list item is the title. Change the text, change the font, change the color, and you can also change the icon. So you can do things for the icon, make the icon bigger, make the icon smaller. Okay. If you say you want 3 columns of lists, why not just clone these? Clone one, drag it over, clone another one, drag it over, and there we go. When you update that, you'll see we've got 3 columns of lists, all with the same format that you created within the module. Okay, so that's stylish lists. I hope this has been helpful. This is the client's website, Butterflies Healthcare, and they've asked me a question about links. So at the moment their page looks like this, and it's created in the theme Xtra. So we have a number of lists, a list of links just here, and some of these links don't work because the sites behind them have changed their pages which has caused a few problems. Okay, so let's get right into it. So the first one I'm going to look at is this top one, official Ahrefs 2 site. This links to this website, and for some reason the link is not working. So let's click on links. Okay, so when we get to links, it's a page. So we've got two boxes here. It's split into 3 columns. So that's the 3 columns. 2 columns are stylish lists. So the top one on the left is this one. So we're going to go back. Stylish list, we click on the pencil to edit it, and then you'll see that the list of links and the bullet list almost is just here. So the one we want to change is that top one. So we'll click on the little arrow and it expands, and you can see there, that's your title. Icon type is image, so that's the image you see. So that's the image just there. Okay. And the title obviously is just here as well. And the link is just here. So I've had a look at the link. At the moment it goes to blank, which is great. I've had a look at the link, and the link is broken. So let me just see if I can pull up my notes. So just here, this is the original link just here, which is on the page, and this is the new link. They've actually changed it. There's a slight difference. They've changed it. So where is it? Studies, that's it. So age-related eye disease study 2, Ahrefs 2. It's now changed to age-related eye disease studies Ahrefs and Ahrefs 2. So they've changed it, the way they've titled that page. So what we're going to do is we're going to take that link, that new link, copy it, and we're going to go to this page here, and we're going to select the URL, and we're just going to change this URL in here. Paste that in there, set link, save changes. Always remember, once you've done anything in these boxes here, click on update. So now that should update that page. We'll go to the front page. I'm just going to quickly refresh that page to make sure it's changed it. When we click on that, it will go to this page that we saw earlier. Okay. Hopefully that's going to help you. Thanks. Speak to you soon.